Welcome to ModernAlgos. Did you know that you can do scalping with ModernAlgos? Check out how.
Let's first explore the scalping option because that is something which is our flagship product and a lot of feedback we are getting on this product. So here, what we are trying to do for a trader, and you may be analyzing a chart, or you may have your own analysis, which based on that you think that the market may be in a consolidation or market may not move very drastically. It will have 100 points or 200 points range, and in that range if you want to play that every 20 points down you want to accumulate, and then if the market moves back up, then you want to exit the added leg what you have done during the downfall, same way in the upside. So what you can do, let's say, excuse me, you want to do scalping on the downside market. So you can see here we have two options: future points and delta change. On these two options you can do. You can also do on the spot price, which I will cover a little later. And on the top of this page, you'll see the spot price, future price, everything is predefined to you. Even you can define the start date and end time. Like if you want to start the scalping only after 11:30 in the morning and you want to liquidate everything by 3 o'clock, that also you can simply click here and you can define your entry and exit time. Now let's quickly see an example. Let's say you have that market may be moving towards downside during the day, but you think that end of the day or the bias of the market towards upside. So you simply can enter that if Nifty moves 30 points down, you like to buy a call option, ATM call option. You can enter your quantity here, and quantity has to be in the lot size, not in 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can define your premium targets. Let's say if market moves 30 points down, one call option will be added, ATM. And for that, you have a target of 20 points and stop loss of 10 points. You can also define how many times you want to do this. You can say 5 times I want to do it. So that means if market goes 150 points down, you will have 5 lots added. And then if the market again starts moving up, each leg will have 20 and 10 as a stop loss and target. So this is for incremental adding the position and exiting based on your defined target and stop loss. Top of it, you can also define your order parameter, whether you want to enter into market or you want to do a limit order, that can be done here. And then each leg wise, you already define your target stop loss on top of this page, but you want to say, okay, I want to block 4,000 profit. I don't want to go beyond that. And my max loss should be 2,000 rupees. So top of your leg wise conditions, this condition will be computed, and whenever you have 4,000 of profit, entire all the legs whatever are being added will be liquidated automatically for you. And then there are various options which you can explore, like you can lock your profit, trail your profit, trailing stop loss, lock and trail profit, which you can explore. And then if you have any questions, we are happy to help you with that. This is to add a position incrementally. Now let's say you want to say, okay, no, I have a defined target and a range for Nifty or Bank Nifty or any symbol, and you say that, okay, if the market breaks this level, then I want to enter, and based on the market move, this is my target and this is my stop loss. If you want to define that, you can simply click on scalping parameter with spot. All the options will be enabled here. So let's say you think that if the market breaks 17,750, you are thinking market will have an upside breakout, and you want to enter a strategy when the market breaks 17,750. So you can say here that I want to enter 17,750. This is my entry spot price, and I want to enter call option or future or put option, whatever your strategies you can define here. So let's say I say, okay, I will enter into a future. So then the strike will get disabled, and you can say my target point is 17,800 or say 850, and my stop loss is 17,700. So whenever market goes to 17,750, system would fire a future lot. A future lot will be bought, and your stop loss target will be managed as per 17,850 and 17,700. If you want to do call option, you can say, okay, I want to buy a call, but I don't want to buy an ATM. I want to buy ATM -1. So that can also be done. And with that, Once the market moves to 17,850, that will be a target zone. Then this entered call option will be liquidated. If market goes below 17,700, then your stop loss will get triggered. And this you can define intraday and positional both. And if you define positional, then only one thing you have to be very, very sure that every day morning you have to log in once so that we have a renewed API token from Firex. And with that, we'll be able to fire your orders during the market hours. So this is all about scalping.